Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys saw the title and thumbnail, this is part 2, and this is a really cool unboxing. So in the previous video, I did get this giant box, which has 2 cases of Hot Wheel Premium Race Day cars. So here's the second case. Let's set this box aside. And like I said, the first video I did an unboxing of that case. This is the second video. So let's go ahead and get into it. And this does have a chance at a chase car, so I really hope I can get one of those. So here we go, and I don't want to see in it until I actually pull out the cars. So let me just kind of carefully flip these open. I'm trying not to see inside. I'm trying not to show you guys. All right, so the cars are laying flat. So let's go ahead and just kind of set that aside. And let me just pull right off the top here. All right, it's kind of wedged in there. All right, let me... trying to be careful with that, and I really hope they're not damaged inside of here. Alright, so I guess we're pulling out both at the same time. Alright, so I don't know what the holdup was with that, but maybe they're just kind of wedged in there kind of tight. But first up, we got the Audi R8 LMS, which that car looks absolutely insane, has a crazy livery, and it is a throwback to the old school Hot Wheel Premium Race Day set. So we got new cars though, and they are all race car themed. You guys can actually see like that roll cage there through the back window. And this car has a lot of other detail. It even has a full roll cage. You can guys see it through the windshield a little bit. I don't know if you can really see it from that angle. But there is an actual roll cage in the window. A giant wing sticking up on the back of this. And the decals look absolutely insane. Like, I actually love that so much. There's that giant wing there in the back. And of course, each case, like one of these cases, has 2 complete sets. So there is the 2 Audi R8s. And with these, there is a chance at a chase car. The chase car actually takes place of the regular version. And let's just go ahead and dig in because I believe... Okay, so the next car is the Porsche 935. And the chase car does replace the Porsche 935. So obviously that is not the chase car. And the chase would be all black, and it will actually say 0 out of 5 instead of like this one where it says 1 out of 5. So I'm really hoping I got the chase. It's actually the main reason why I got this case, because I was really excited, really hoping for it. So I guess the next car I pull out, which would be right on top, would be the chase car if it is in this package. The chances, I don't know what the chances are getting them, but I feel like a pretty slim. But let's go ahead and pull this out. And I really hope it's the chase. And it is not. So it is the regular version. So we got 2 of those right there, which is still a very beautiful casting. Like, they did a great job with the KW design there. The color purple on there looks really good. And wow. Let's go ahead and set these aside and go ahead and pull out the next car, which is the Aston Martin Vantage GTE, which is a very bright kind of neon yellow. Really makes like that wing stand out there in the back. Has all the decals on top, which look really cool. And I think it's a really nice casting. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. Let me go and pull out the other one as well. So there we go. I got both of those. And then next car up is going to be the Ford Capri GR.5, which that's a pretty interesting looking car. It's pretty cool though. It has of course a giant wing on the back. It has a wild wide body kit, tiny front tires, which is kind of interesting. But yeah, that's kind of a cool car there. That would actually be kind of interesting to see that in person. But kind of throwing in a little bit of the old school, some of these more modern cars that are in this set. And there's the other one. And the final car is going to be the 94 AMG Mercedes C-Class DTM touring car. I do notice that the Mercedes tend to have giant overcomplicated names, but there's the car right there, which that looks really cool. And of course the giant wing in the back. This is like an old school kind of Mercedes, so it is bringing back like that old school look, but also like the pretty cool racing kind of heritage that the AMG had way back when. And then let me go ahead and pull out the final one. And that actually looks pretty cool. So that was everything in that box. If you guys do want to see the previous video, I do have it on my channel. So definitely go check that out. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Also hit that subscribe button because I have a lot of videos always coming out. Case unboxings such as this and a bunch of other crazy awesome videos coming out all the time. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know what you guys think of this new Hot Wheels Race Day set. And do you guys have any of the old school ones? Because I have a couple of like the Porsches from like the previous Race Day series which came out. I don't even know when they came out. They came out a while ago. And that's before these premium cars had like the wide packaging. The package used to be as skinny as like the mainline cars, a little bit more heavy duty and stuff like that. The cars were still like the metal on metal with the Real Riders tires, but skinnier packaging. Let me know if you guys remember that day. Also, like which ones do you guys have, if you have those. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.